I've had to steal some parts out of the blue silica, like the battery and the circuit open relay. But we're going to try to start this ST185 today. So I've already been cranking it to get oil pressure, and I have found my first problem, and this is my own fault. I tried to save money, and I rebuilt a power steering rack, and I did a bad job. So basically what I did was make it leak worse. I should have just replaced it. It's probably like $300 for a power steering rack. Well, it was about $300 for a power steering rack, and now I don't know what it is, but I should have just replaced it when the engine was out instead of trying to rebuild that. Hindsight is 2020. All right, so I'm letting the battery charge right now. We got all the fluids in it. Battery's charging on the car so that I can actually crank over. It's a weak battery, man. I'm always having to charge it. Even when I drive the blue silica, I have to end up jumping it most of the time. Anyway, I'll get back with you. We're getting close. I just found a leak. Oh no. Where's my ratchet? The leak is coolant. I don't know if I just said that or not. Nope, that didn't help. Shoot. I don't know what that is possibly leaking from. Clamp is tight. Now clamp's super tight. Still leaking like crazy. What in the hell? The hose that I used for my turbo coolant lines, had it laying around, and every time I push it on to the little hose barb, it splits more and more. So this hose is obviously compromised. So I might have to just loop these guys real quick so I can get the first start out of the way and not worry about that right now. I really just need to hear this thing fire off, to be honest with you. But yeah, every time here, I'll show you. Every time I push it on in there, it just splits more and more from that guy there. A little frustrating, but that's all right. That's why we do these things. Alrighty, here we go. We have oil pressure. The turbo works.